Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to find the guest post websites according to the niche. Okay, first you need to open collab.research.google to run the Python code. Open the link from description and copy the code. Remove these details. Click on code, paste the code and hit the play button. Python is initializing. Okay, now type SEO in inverted commas, give a space and type in URL right for us. You can change your niche within inverted quotes and hit the enter. Here you can see we have the websites which are offering the guest post. So just copy and paste these websites. Also you can limit the number of results. Here I have limited to 49. You can change this value to get maximum results. Thank you.